My name is Kevin White. I am the Executive Director of Global Vision 2020. What we focus on is the application of eyeglasses, or getting eyeglasses to people in the developing world or in the base of the pyramid. So the main problem with getting eyeglasses to the base of the pyramid is access. Who can deliver eyeglasses? So what we've done is invented a tool that really simplifies that process, allows almost anyone to become a refractionist, and if you keep it under the umbrella of the eye care industry, it allows you to tackle that refractive error at the very lowest level. So it's a simple tool that almost anyone can use.
What's the history of your brand? Any groundbreaking developments that you'd like to share with us?
Yeah, absolutely. So in 2005, I was the Director of Humanitarian Assistance Programs for the U.S. Department of Defense for Africa and Eastern Europe. And my first distribution was in 2005 to Morocco, where I watched a vision screening going on for a local population. And what I noticed was it was donated eyeglasses. No one got 20/20 in both eyes, and people basically picked the frame that they wanted instead of the glasses that worked for them. And I said, there really has to be a better way. And that sort of got me started down this road of being able to addressing this problem. So I started looking for what technology was out there. There wasn't that much. There was self-refraction devices, fluid-filled eyeglasses, and I used those. And the big thing for me, what I noticed was, although it worked and anyone could distribute them, we didn't get a lot of young people that wanted to wear them. So I said the gap was we need self-refraction, but we need to end up with a real pair of nice eyeglasses, and that's kind of what turned my head to do this.
Talk to us about any new innovations and technologies that you might be using that you can share with us.
Sure. Well, the heart of our kit is the UC. That is the self-refraction diagnostic tool. The glasses so from that you can make a pair of eyeglasses. The patient dials in, you get that reading, and you make a pair of eyeglasses. So what we're going to be working on for our next phase, of course, is developing the different glasses that people can wear so that we can address pupillary distance or child's faces and so on. So the device itself has been clinically trialed. We completed clinical trials at the Wilmer Eye Institute at Johns Hopkins, an IAPB member of the Dana Center. And we're in the process of conducting clinical trials in Vietnam for children so we can get it down to 7-year-olds. So the clinical trials are the biggest thing for us. But also, once you have the prescription to be able to make a pair of appropriate size glasses for the audience or for the patient that you're trying to help. So this is the UC. This is the self-refractive diagnostic tool that basically allows the patient to tune in their own prescription. So once you know that the patient needs eyeglasses, they put this device on their face, and there's a small viewing aperture here. So you have a 12-centimeter lens that goes from +6 diopters to -6, and it changes both horizontally and vertically that power. So the patient will turn the dial until they're looking at an eye chart, and once they see it clearly, they'll stop. And they'll do the same on the other side. And then you see they're independent numbers, so red 1, 2, 3, 4, green 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Those all correlate to individual diopters. So a red 1 is a -0.5. A blue 5 is a -6, and everything in between. So you have a lens bag that correlates to that. You pull that lens out and you snap it in the right side. You have a green 5 on this side, you pull out a green 5 and you snap it in, and then you make a pair of eyeglasses.